Let's check the eggs. Hey guys. Just going to check out the eggs. See if there's any eggs. Here's some eggs. Eggs in my basket. Eggs. There we go. See if there's any more eggs. Hey, guy. Okay, let's go check on the baby goats. Here are the new baby goats. Holly, we haven't named that one yet. And that one we haven't named yet. And there's Rosie. Looks like you're eating some hay, guys. You're eating some hay? Hay. You want some feed? You get the feed. Now we have to feed the chickens. We gotta feed the chickens first and then we feed the goats. There's the feeding area. You just jump the feed in some places. And all the chickens over here will just come and eat. Breakfast time. So the goats already had breakfast, so we're just gonna give them a snack. We just need a snack. A little bit of a snack. And make sure to give the babies some snack. Now we gotta give the babies a little snack. Two of them are scared and they're over here. But they'll go to the snack later. Look, a little cute farm doggy. All the goats over here eating hay, eating the food that I dumped around, chilling out, having fun. Then we have baby Holly. Isn't she cute? Then we have Maybelle, which eats everything she can find. She's our good medicine taker. Lily, the queen of the herd. Case, our big male. Magnolia, our girl. Miles, our little male. Lavender, our first goat. And Lacey, that came with her. And Elsa. And then we got the duck.